You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words that look similar. They are pronounced differently. They have a different pronunciation, and more importantly, they have a different meaning. So the top word, chick, is a word meaning chicken, a small chicken. This is also a girl. Chick is the pronunciation, a young girl. Chick, a young woman. Chick. Now the bottom word is a part of your face. Cheek, either side of the face below the eye. Cheek. It's a long E sound, okay? Can you hear the difference? The top word is check, a short E sound, check. The bottom word, cheek, a long E sound. Check, a check. I met that check the other day. Check. The bottom word, cheek. I put my tongue in my cheek. Cheek. Check, cheek. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Can you pronounce those words correctly? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.